In the DNC to CNC mode of operation, the CNC will act as the slave, and the entire program will come from the servo control box. This is excellent for very large programs or when your CNC does not have the memory capacity to run the rotary moves and your very large XYZ moves and all the appropriate G code. This is what the program would look like. I'm going to demonstrate it here just to see it, and then we're going to delete it and to demonstrate how it's entirely coming from the box. So in this case, what the box will send looks exactly the same as a traditional G-code operation. There's no S prints or D prints. It will be sending an A, B, G-code and feed rate to the CNC, but the servo control box has intelligence where it will swap it with an M code. So it will look seamless on the CNC operation, but the box is actually reserving those codes and holding on to them. You don't really need to know why it's doing it or how it's doing it, just the fact that it looks like a traditional A-B code coming from the box itself. So I'm going to delete this program from within the CNC to show that there's nothing here, nothing in the control. So there's no program, there's nothing there. What you need to do is prepare your CNC with the appropriate DNC mode. So the Fidel is ready. The control box you enter into DNC to CNC mode, and you actually have to have the USB key in for this. So we're going to be DNCing directly from whatever key you choose to put into the control with the very large memory. So you can do DNC, this is what we're selecting. So the connection is made. The CNC is going to act as the slave unit entirely from the control box. There's going to be a delay for the initialization, and then it will continue to run. These are the exact programs we've been running in the other modes of operation, but in this case it's entirely from the servo control box. And even though the CNC is the slave, it functions, I push the start button on the CNC, it functions as if the CNC is in control, and you have all of your feed rates, rapids, spindles, all of your normal controls on the CNC still function correctly.